What's going on here? What's going on here? Are you the king of the cat incline? Here comes your sister to challenge you. You know, I put some primo grade. No one wants to see your ass. Turn around. I put some primo grade catnip on there. And I also flipped that incline, which all scratched all to hell. I flipped it over so it's like new. You know I paid $10 for that, right? Almost a year ago. What do you got? You find something back there? What's going on? What do? Just sit there and just like absorb it? See, I mean, you know, I bought this for you, but no, this ain't doing nothing, is it? You don't even care about that. What about this one? This one is still essentially alive. That is a mouse. I feel like y'all are in some kind of catnip opium den. You're just like so zonked out of your fucking minds that you don't even know what's going on. Alright, well, 2 minutes is basically the limit of all cat videos, so unless you do something incredibly cute or outrageous, we're gonna have to call this over and out.